Yeah, man.
What a guan! My name is Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook banana porridge. Get 3 between 5 small green bananas, a pinch of salt, 1 cup milk. I am using coconut milk. 2 dried cinnamon leaves. Half cup flour. Vanilla, nutmeg, sugar, and water. For the recipe, visit JamaicanDinners.com, JamaicanCookings.com. Get 511 pages cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. Get a chopping board ready. I am using this chopping mat. Peel green bananas. The banana skin is 1/16 of an inch thick. Juke the tip of the knife on the inside of the banana 1/16 of an inch deep. Start at the top. Cut alongside the green banana from top to bottom, and then cut the top and the bottom almost off. Hold the banana firm with one hand and then use your fingers to get beneath the banana's skin. Remove it. To know how to peel green bananas, watch me. Next, get a blender ready. Measure 4 cups water, and from that 4 cups of water, pour 1 between 2 cups of water into the blender, and then add chopped green bananas in the blender. Use the blender's jar lid. Cover it. Grind or blend banana smooth. First, add 1 cup water. If when blending the green banana, it's too thick to blend, then you add more water. Measure half cup flour. I sometimes mix the flour half and half with cornmeal. Sometimes I use cornmeal alone. Add half cup flour in the blender as well. Traditionally, people would use a spoon to mix the flour in the green banana puree smooth. However, I think it's best if you blend the flour with the banana. This guarantees it won't leave lumps in the porridge. If you don't have a blender, use the fine Ol's grater instead. When this green banana and water mixture blend smooth, remove it. Pour some water from the remaining 4 cups of water in the blender, just to rinse out the rest of this banana mixture. Put a medium-sized saucepan/stew pot on the stove. Add the remaining water from the 4 cups of water into the saucepan. Turn on stove's flame and then put the gauge on 4 medium-low. Add 2 washed dried cinnamon leaves. Add pinch of salt. Grind 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Measure and add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Use the pan's lid, cover it. Allow the water to come to a boil. The stove's gauge is on 4, allow. After 3 between 5 minutes and the water is bubbling, add the banana mixture in the boiling water. Use a spoon. Take the surface water and then pour it in the bowl. Rinse out the remaining banana mixture and then pour it in the water. Use a cooking spoon. Stir the banana mixture with the boiling water thoroughly. I like to use the back of the spoon. Rub the back of the spoon on the pot's bottom. Stir the mixture for 2 between 3 minutes until it's thickened. Now when this banana mixture gets thick as this, Turn the stove on simmering. I like to call it very low. Use the pan's lid, cover it properly. The stove's gauge is on simmering. Allow. This is the flame simmering on my stove. And this is the gauge simmering on my stove. Stir the porridge every 5 minutes for 10 between 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon. Use the back of the spoon, rotate it on the pot's bottom. Stir porridge properly. Use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is on simmering. Allow. After 5 minutes more, totaling 10 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon, stir it properly. And then cover it. Stove's gauge is still on low. Allow. While waiting for that, mix the milk. This part you can use any milk. Add 1 cup of milk if using cow's milk. Mix condensed milk in 1 cup of water until it's sweetened to your liking. If using evaporated milk, use half cup and then dilute it with half cup water. Or you could just use 1 cup of evaporated milk. And if you're using coconut milk, just measure 1 cup of coconut milk and then add it. Today, I am using coconut milk powder. Add 50-gram pack of coconut milk powder in 1 cup of water. Mix it properly. Traditionally, people add the sugar in the porridge. You could do like me and add the sugar in the milk and then mix it properly. Measure half cup between 3/4 cups sugar and then add it in the milk. Stir it well. Put the milk aside until you're ready for it. After 5 minutes more, totaling 15 minutes, use a cooking spoon. Stir it. Stir it properly. The porridge should be this thick. This banana porridge mixture is thickened just right. This looks good. The porridge is thickening just right. This is ready for the next step. Next, add the milk and the sugar mixture in the porridge. Use a spoon, stir it properly, and then use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is still on simmering. Allow. After 5 minutes more, totaling 10 minutes, this is it. Use the back of the spoon and then rub it on the pot's bottom. Stir it properly. Use the cooking spoon to rub the corners and stir it properly. This banana porridge is thickening just right. This looks good. We are on the right track. Use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is still on simmering. Allow. After 5 minutes more, after we added the milk, totaling 15 minutes, this is green banana porridge. Use a cooking spoon, stir it properly. This banana porridge looks good. It has no lumps. This is what you want. If you follow my methods, your porridge will not have lumps. Use the pan's lid, cover it. After 5 minutes more, this is good. It's finished. Turn off stove. Use the pan's lid, cover it until serving. To serve banana porridge, pour it into a bowl. Look how thick and creamy this green banana porridge looks. This is what you want. Banana porridge. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Buy 511 pages cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making banana porridge yourself. If you follow my method, you can't go wrong. This is banana porridge. Half cup sugar sweetened this banana porridge for me perfectly. Nevertheless, if you want it sweet, add 3/4 cups sugar. To preserve the banana porridge, pour it into a container with a proper lid. Keep it in the refrigerator for 1 day. Freeze it for 3 months or longer. The flavor is banana porridge. Whatever milk you choose to use, the flavor will still be banana porridge. Until next time, Magan.